Welcome back. Let's see what we're making today. You already know because I always put it in the title, but I don't know what's in here yet. Oh my gosh, it has the dog on it. I just saw the back of it. That's so cute. And I like that the ingredients are just tucked in there. So we have different baskets and bags that you can collect in this series. I think that's a lot of fun. We are making cookies. I kind of dread doing cookies. Maybe these will be okay. There's a lot in there. There's like 10, I think. Let's see if I can unwrap this without ripping it. I try to save the paper. I don't really know what I'm going to do with the paper, but I try to save it. We have sprinkles, favorite day sprinkles. I had to stop filming to go get my sprinkles. Isn't that cute? They did it spot on, looks just like it. Oh my gosh, adorable. Okay, let's see what else we have. Resin. Oh my gosh, it came in an icing tube. That's ginormous, but how cute is that? They did give us a tip, and I think these are different than, they look smaller than previous ones, so I don't think if you have extra ones from other sets, I don't think they're gonna fit on these bottles. Did get a spatula and the Target dog head that clips into the top to make a display case. Cool, let's clean up and start making this one. So here are the cookies that we're making. I like that you can put them back into, as I'm saying that, where's the label that goes on the outside? There's supposed to be a label that seals it. Was it in with the stickers? Oh, it is. It's right there. It's in with the stickers. I just put the stickers to the side because they're all the same, but this one actually has something we need in there. I thought maybe I threw it away, so I'm glad that I didn't. Let's sneak that out. 10 frosted cookies. It has the nutrition information. That's so cute. The details are so great with these series. In the past, I haven't cared for icing these. Sometimes it like runs down the side, so we'll see. And I'm not sure if we'll have to do 2 layers or not. We are about to find out. And we're using the lid that we used on the Target dog cookies. So it might come white initially, we'll see. Okay, that's a pretty pink. Let's see if we'll do 2 layers or just 1. They look pretty pink in the picture. Let's see how this smooths out. I think I might do 2 real thin layers of the pink icing. Because once you spread that out, it's not very pink. All right, let me do this one. And then I will cure it and come back to do that second layer. I just kind of go around in circles like that till everything, I feel like it makes the edges look more round and smooth. Oh no! Boop. All right, well. Yay. Let's try that again. That's okay, that one might have been a little bit too thick with icing anyways. There we go. So here's all the rest of them. The tweezers are getting in the way. So what I'm doing is I'm holding just the slightest corner down with my nail, making sure not to get the resin on my finger. That was a bad example because it totally just moved. But I keep going, kind of like brush it to the edges and then go around a circular motion. This resin it's not thick, but it very much reminds me of like gel icing in real life. It doesn't like smooth out that well. And then I have those other 2 outside curing. That way we can look at the difference between 1 coat of icing and 2. I think 2 will look best, but I will show you what it looks like so you can make that decision for your cookies. This one I don't like. I feel like the pink's all on one side. There we go, maybe that's better. Okay, time to cure them. So I'm gonna try to show you this. These ones have a second layer of pink. This one is just the one light layer. So you can see it looks pretty much better with that second coat. And while that's still wet, I'll add the sprinkles. I'll probably move some of those around with my tweezers and place them where I want them before putting them out to cure. They do tend to stick to the tweezers a lot. But I'll try to evenly disperse the colors maybe. Then tap them down a little bit so they stick. This I feel like will take a long time since we have to do 10 of them. But I'll have to look again on the checklist. I think they put a light amount of sprinkles, if I remember correctly. And sometimes I have like an extra container. Oh wait, I didn't, duh. I was like, why are those bouncing off? That's the one we didn't ice yet. Sometimes I dump the sprinkles in like a lid or the container. That way I can pick them up individually like this to make sure you don't have one color of a certain sprinkle too much on the cookie. We want a little bit of variety. All right, so I will continue to do this and I'll come back once they're all set up and we'll put them in that cute container and seal it up. Here's what they look like. Very cute. Now, sadly, we have to put them all in here and kind of cover them up so you're not going to be able to see all the hard work we just did. Guess you can pick your favorite one to display in the front so it's showing. We'll do this one because it has a bunch of sprinkles. If it'll even fit in there. Okay, had to kind of be forced into there. In real life, I don't like these cookies. I think they taste really bad. But I think it's cute because they're pretty iconic. Like everybody knows what these are supposed to be. Okay, that fits pretty good. Now, I think it goes like in the middle like that. Yeah, I think so. Let me look at the instructions. Yep, they show it about halfway. Okay, let's see. We have our sticker. Gonna put it right there. I think that's the middle. And then I'm just gonna follow it down the side. And then down this side. There we go. I feel like that started out well, but then kind of got a little wonky there at the end. That's still cute though, and you could slit it right here if you want to open it and take them out. It would still keep the integrity of the box there. Look how cute that is. Though these are not my favorite cookies in real life, I think I have to give them like at least an 8 out of 10. Because I like the package presentation and the sticker. That's very important details there, so I think that's super cute. So that's what I have for you today. I do have most of the other series already. I got lucky. I think I ordered 10 from Target and only got 1 duplicate. So those will be posted shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.